Hello everyone, and how are you doing? I am Risa, and today I'll be sharing with you everything I do or use to have my body always smell fresh and healthy. And jumping straight into it, this is my number one on the list, my citric detox water. This cleanses your pores and ensures your skin smells so fresh and good every day. You don't just want to take care of your skin externally, you start from the inside. And this simple detox water has changed my life. It has changed my game. I drink a lot of this like almost every day, and it is easy to make. You just need some citrus fruits like orange, lemon, lime, pineapple, ginger put together in your water, 2 liters of water every day, and watch how this will cleanse your pores from the inside. You will smell so good. Vitamin C or citric acid is the secret to having your pores smell so good from the inside. So this is my number one secret. I can't do without this. Plus, this helps to boost your metabolism as well, help you break down whatever you eat during the day, so nothing stores up causing belly fat, weight gain. You break down everything, and so you easily pass out everything, so there is no stored up in your system bulging ugly smells out. So this is so good. Citric detox water, very easy. As I mentioned earlier, you need water, lemon, orange, pineapple, and ginger, and that is it. Watch how your skin will improve. You will smell so fresh and clean all the time. Now, externally, the second thing that has helped improve or change my hygiene game, like level up my hygiene game, this is something I've been doing for years, over years, are my exfoliating gloves or sponge. Like this is a big secret, and these are backups. I use this all the time, like every day I want to shower. This ensures you scrub your skin so well and remove dead skin cells. That way your pores can breathe and you smell so fresh and good. Yeah, plus once every week I use an exfoliating scrub on my skin. This is St. Ives apricot scrub. I use this on my skin once every week and add in some coffee, orange juice, like some active ingredients to have it really active on the skin for more benefits. I've shared so many of the recipes on my channel, how I make my scrub to leave my skin always smooth and beautiful. So scrubbing your skin at least once every week and using your sponge every day with your soap will have you always smell so good, and your body will look so smooth and attractive. That is a big secret, guys. If you haven't been doing, just start doing it today, and watch how doing this will improve your skin's health and how you smell. The third thing that has helped improve my hygiene game and leave me smelling fresh and clean all day, every day, are these travel kit bottles, and I will tell you why. These are the bottles, and they help me carry my mouthwash, my scented moisturizer, my hand soap in my everyday handbag, and these I stay out for so long. I refresh my mouth with these. So easy, you just throw in your everyday handbag. As well as when I wash my hand, I have my scented moisturizer in this little cup to refresh my hands, and this helps maintain your hygiene, and you always smell so fresh and good. Like travel bottles, I don't joke with them. You can get them at Walmart, Target. I can leave a link at my description. You can get it at Amazon as well. These are very important. You get to carry your hygiene products with you every day without having the bulky containers, like having to carry your scented moisturizer. This is too bulky for your everyday handbag. So these cups or bottles make life so easy and helps you maintain your hygiene throughout the day without stress. The fourth thing that has changed my hygiene game or leveled up my hygiene game is having that fresh girl scent from my body all the time. Like, I swear by this. This is Chanel Chance au Tendre. This is Brazilian Crush. These are very beautiful body mist. that leave your skin smell so good and welcoming. Having to use body mist or your everyday fresh girl fragrance like Chanel Chanso Tandro, this I swear by this. As you can see from the bottle, you can see the dent. I use this a lot. This leaves your body so fresh every day. Like, this has become my signature fresh girl scent and I smell so good. I mostly use this at bedtime to smell cozy and good. This is so important. As a fresh girl, as a clean girl, if you want to level up your hygiene game, have that beautiful signature smell coming out from you, and having a fresh scent like this. Or there are so many fresh options like clean. There are so many from Bath and Body Works, so many fresh girl fragrances or body mist you can get depending on which works for you. Just have your body, like, augment your body smell. But you do that after having your shower. You don't use this body mist or fragrances to suppress bad odor. That is to help augment or improve your already fresh body, which takes me to the next tip. Trust me, making sure you have a shower first thing you wake up from bed, like just get to your bathroom and have your fresh shower, is a secret. As well as last thing at bedtime. That is very important if you want to be a fresh, clean girl. Have your shower in the morning. That helps you clean your skin thoroughly and you smell so good. It is so uncultured to wake up from bed and just rush and start doing your daily activities, or you're all over the house doing stuff. Before you know, there are people coming to visit you and you can't freely talk to them because you're scared. Maybe your mouth is not smelling fresh, your body is not cleaned, like you're just so uncomfortable in your own house. You don't even feel or smell fresh. Like, that is a habit I have been doing for so long, and trust me, it feels so good. When you have your fresh shower in the morning, your brain is so active. You do your stuffs and you get to be so active and with a fresh brain. As well as last thing at bedtime before going to bed, that is something I don't joke with. I get a thorough shower, hitting those hot areas like my armpit down there, thoroughly clean. Use my body mist. After having my shower, I use my body mist before going to bed. That way you smell fresh and cozy under your sheets. And of course, as a fresh girl, you need a deodorant spray or a roll-on to have your armpit smell fresh always. But that is after having your fresh shower and cleaning your armpit thoroughly. You follow with your deodorant spray. You smell fresh and intact all day. So this is a fresh girl must have. Your deodorant spray or your roll-on, and yeah. And now let's talk about down there, which is tip number 7. I personally love to always shave my down there. I love to have it clean. That is a preference. I don't know. To me, when I shave, it looks so good and feels so good. Plus, I equally use this ointment to moisturize my inner thighs, my laps with. This is a regular A&D ointment. This is so good. It leaves your inner thighs moisturized. So when you walk, you tend to have friction and that makes that area dark. It looks like strawberry if you don't properly take care, scrub and moisturize with an ointment like this. That area tends to not look beautiful and that can be scary to your man or your boyfriend. So having to use an ointment like this is A&D. You can find it in any beauty store, your drugstore. Just always have your inner thighs moisturized. This cleans up your inner thighs and leaves your inner thighs so smooth and looking so beautiful. That is a big level up, guys. Get yourself this ointment. This is A&D. I've used this for years, and trust me, I wish I could show you. My inner thighs are just so smooth and look so presentable, like a woman. And now what I used to wash down there with. So I either use this honey pot wash, feminine wash, or my regular body wash, which is for sensitive skin. This is what I use as my body wash. This is for sensitive skin, very natural, no smell, no harsh chemicals, so it is safe for you to use and get right down there without any pH obstruction. Very important. And when I talk of cleaning down there, you don't want to send your hand inside. You know where I'm talking about. Your hand shouldn't go inside the stuff, like just outerly. You wash the outer area, not sending your hand inside, not plucking anything out of you, because doing that will remove all the good bacteria, protecting you from the inside. That area cleans itself, the inner area cleans itself naturally. Your job is just to clean the external area and watch how you smell so good every day. Because if you remove all the good bacteria, you tend to attract bad bacteria because there is no protection anymore. You tend to attract bad bacteria, and that is how you end up with odors from down there, because there is no good bacteria protecting you again because you took everything out. So just wash the external area and don't put your hand inside, you get. So that is what I wanted to share with you. If you don't do any of the tips I've shared today, this should be the most important. Drink your citric detox water every day and watch how this will leave your skin so fresh from the inside out. And it's actually very easy to make. Lemon, orange, pineapple, your water, and some ginger. That is it. And watch how this will freshen up your pores and you always smell so good. So share your own tips with me at the comment section, your own hygiene tips, things you do that help you smell fresh and good always. Remember, we are all thriving to improve, evolve, and be the better version of ourselves and be great. So share this video with your family and friends, and I'll see you again in my next video. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching. Bye.